Is there any young girl or woman that is interested in marrying an autistic person?
Hey, my people, wahala, they say it be like bicycle wey no get brake. This video one I just watch, so I go put am for una. I believe say most of una don see am. Whether the GO say any woman wey be say he want make he marry this boy wey be say he no dey okay. He say he go pay bride price, he go give the house, the person he go receive more for money for all over life. He say not get anything to like to worry about. Say they go do everything. My people, this video, if you now watch am well, because I believe una don't see am. For those of una wey never see am, wanna watch this video very well. This person wey be say they can't do a video now. Now wife you need that be na medical na treatment na he need. Do you understand? He needs something to like to make am dey okay. Now the man say he dey masturbate, you understand? They use am till they do it thing. But that one no make am say make dem wan give am to woman. I know say most of our people, most of our women, they go say they need though. Most of them, they go say they need, they not care. So if I make the house, make the money they come, although that the GO say they go they check on them to see if everything is okay. I know say it get the way people say they do something. They feel they treat them bad. That one no fit talk because he know they hear, he know they talk. You know, because he no even know where he dey. He brain no dey as person wey be say they normal. So who go come carry person like that? Come use am take do husband? And I just dey ask. Use am take do husband? You know, free present and say this is my husband. Nothing. You know, if you carry and go outside, even though say maybe you carry man come inside house, you with the man they do something in the house. You know, if he talk, if that the GO they come check. How you want to talk? You know if he talk because you know they talk, although they see, but you know they talk. You know, they say not they even they hear self. So many people go come say they need that. Say no problem. So make them just dey together. So how many the money they call? You know, I know say it be like say that the GO one just like make it they go. You know, just come out time for the where they make it just carry everything they go. If you still be now say somebody go come now say okay you want. Maybe they do one for 1 year. They'll call you and say do that you know as you want to, you understand. If you still be. But what I they talk about this video. This person don't need any wife. He just needs some treatment. He needs some medicine where they give her, you know. You know, maybe you know, say if now abroad now, they get the way they say they do all these things. Like as it can't be saying now Nigeria now, you are your anyway, make I put this video for now. Una way I open reach go back. Una not go to say una need though later now. Come they say una no need that. Una no know so that say it be dey okay. It not dey okay. Oh, the person the doctor say it not dey okay. You know they talk. They do like person where be say you know like momo like pikin. Although say it don't be adult because now so they say born. Me like say now so they say born. So if mama leave her for their gate for church for there, so as a daddy GO now they can't carry her enter house. They don't feel just leave her like that. They say they call Ogbalegbe not see their mother, and not see mama. Then they bring her come church again, so they can't train her as their picking. You understand them? So I know say you know sir, as hungry just day and everywhere tight, everywhere make bo not be only Nigeria, even abroad for year. They go run say they want her, no problem. They go carry. Because of say they don't hear say money dey house go dey, you go they receive money. You understand? They feel lock am for his house. They do their thing where they do for them. You know that one not go know what they happen. The day where that GO go come, that day he go dey house. You understand? Because that guy fit tell them, the woman fit tell them say at any time when they come, when they tell us, so you know, then you go come tell the boyfriend say not on that very day that the GO then go come, you know, something like that. So all this one me I not think say now something where be say it go good for the boy. As far as say the boy don't dey for that church, he don't understand there. It may be sometimes they feel they carry okbo go they give am make they you understand as far as say they say no they if they just touch am small something go just rise. Una go hear everything for his side. Wahala don dey finish oh. And people wey open for eye, more na be careful. This one not be person wey be say na husband because of money oh. Because of money, many people they do many things. All right, my people, please help me to love and like and share this video. God bless you all as you do. I appreciate una well from the bottom of my heart. Now, bye bye.
Is there any young girl or woman that is interested in marrying an autistic person? The general overseer of OPM Church is interested to get this young man married, and there are going to be benefits attached. If you are a lady that thinks you can get married to him, you'll be put on a lifetime monthly salary, and you also get a lifetime accommodation. And let me bring the camera close, so let us hear from Daddy Gio himself. Come close. So sir, you said you want to get this young man married, and he has a condition, a health condition that doesn't even allow him to talk. Sir, why do you want to get him married?
Why I decided to get him married is because of the sympathy and pity I have on him. Because right now he doesn't even know what is going on with him. You know, as he's growing and growing, there is this uncontrollable sexual urge happening to him. He stays, he wants to masturbate. My fear is this: let him not, let him not go to a state that he will just maybe hijack a child here and forcefully, do something. So it is out of that sympathy. Okay, let me marry him out. I will pay the bride price. For the person. Yeah. Then the person will receive accommodation,
in an estate.
Yes, in an estate, and we receiving monthly salary for life.
For life.
Because right now he doesn't have a father, he doesn't have a mother. He was just dumped at my gate, and after he was dumped, I invited the police. Police came, carried him to the motherless baby home that is owned by the government, but they rejected him.
Wow.
They rejected him. So now the police now returned him back to me. So I have no choice than to take care of him. I can't throw him out on the street. So I have to start taking care of him. So I've been taking care of him all this while. But now he's growing, he's going to school, he's growing, but this uncontrollable sexual order that is going on with him is something that is a cause of worry. And that is why I want to say, okay, instead of him, a lady carrying him, no. We'll pay the bride price. It doesn't matter the age of the lady. Whether it's a young lady, old lady, grandmother, it doesn't matter. As long as he will just, because I have so much sympathy. His uncontrollable sexual urge.
Even when they are beating him too.
Even when they beat him, because I got some of the boys here to be beating. First I got Nanda beating him, but that one couldn't handle it. So I have to tell some of the grown-up boys here. But when they start touching him, the next thing, the whole thing will just rise up. So it's a big. I just pity him because he doesn't know what is going on with the system. So with that, sometimes he just stay like this and begin to masturbate, and I bleed in my heart. This guy is going through a lot of psychological, emotional trauma. So that is why I decided for it not to be legal, pay the bride price, and the person will accommodate. We'll be going there to inspect. That's why I'm saying in one of the estates. We will come there to inspect to make sure that he is not maltreated or is not, I was thinking of getting, because I have other autistic children stay with me. I wanted to match autistic, but they will give birth to autism. So to prevent the spread of autism, it's better to get a normal person and an autistic person.
Okay.
So that, if they decide to have children, the children are still under the church care. But if they don't want to have children, that's no problem. But at least for his state of mind to be okay.
Okay, so if you are interested, the right thing to do is to visit OPM Church headquarters here in Port Harcourt City, Rivers State, Nigeria, and ask of the welfare office, the head of the welfare. So the head of the welfare is going to attend to you. Tell her you came to show interest in getting married to him. Now, sir, the only worry I have right now is if they have a child, I wonder what the health status of that child is going to be like.
I've made some inquiries.
Okay.
It will not affect the health of the children will not be autistic. The only way the children will be autistic is when autism marries autism.
Okay.
Then they'll give birth to autism.
Okay.
But when a normal person marries autism, they'll give birth to normal children.
Okay. All right. So this is a really amazing opportunity for the young man. But the question is, who would be willing to get married to him? Although there are benefits attached to it. But I feel that, you know, if you show interest, you need to think about it carefully, because you'll be spending the rest of your life with this man. You have to adjust to the fact that he's not able to talk, right?
He's not able to talk.
So,
And he doesn't hear.
So you'll be given a free accommodation for the rest of your life. You'll be put on monthly salary. They'll be coming to check up on you guys from time to time. I'm sure the house will be furnished enough for it to be comfortable for the both of you to live. So it doesn't matter, you know, if just go to OPM Church right now, go to the headquarters, ask of the head of welfare, and they'll be able to attend to you. How are you? So, anyways, God bless you so much, sir. Thank you very much. I really appreciate what you are doing for people. The last time I was here was in 2024. A lot has changed, actually. What I mean is that I haven't been traveling